So today we're going to finish off the S&M REA. I've only got a front brake to put on, the back brake's done, I've put the chain on which wasn't on last time, and also I have bought some pegs, which I've not run anything like that since, and they're all on the floor, but I've not run anything like that since about the 80s. So I thought I'd run this one with pegs. I've got Odyssey M pegs, so I thought I'd give them a go. But yeah, front brake to do, and then it will be done, and about time too, because it's been ages since the last one. I just haven't had time to get anything done, so hopefully the front brake won't be too difficult to do and it'll all be up and running. Seems to have got a lot of it done, all pretty straightforward. The only thing now, I've got to tighten up this little knob here, which is a little tricky because you need about 10 pairs of hands, but I've got quite a few tools, so I should be able to get that done. Hopefully it'll be done in the next few minutes. Right, front brake is installed, and it wasn't actually too difficult. It's the first one I've done on a BMX. More fiddly than anything. Needed about 10 pairs of hands. But yeah, a few adjustments to make, but it's pretty much all right at the moment. So yeah, got the cable going through the stem here. Yeah, all seems all right. I've just got the pegs to go on now, and it'll be pretty much done. Whether I'm going to do them now, yeah, I think I'll get them done now.
The audio went a bit weird on this, so I am doing a voiceover on it. So we're basically doing a bit of a bike check. I've managed to complete it, as you can see. I had a few issues with a chain. That was just me being an idiot and having trouble taking a couple of links out, putting links in and what have you, but I had a cup of coffee and then I managed it quite easy, so I think I was just a bit tired. So anyway, the bike check, we have got the Odyssey F25 forks, so I can run the front brake. I was actually wanting the F32s. Anyway, I clicked the wrong button and got the F25s. But yeah, thought they'd make a nice change. Got the Odyssey Evo 2.5 brakes on the front and rear. S&M Challenger stem. S&M REA bars that have just come out. Got the S&M Hoda grips, which are so comfortable, so I think they're my go-to from now on. What else we got? Where are we going? Yep, fit. You're helping me. Little one's helping me. So I've got the fit blunt cranks running 170mm for a change, because I've put pegs on the bike and I've got size 12 feet, so hopefully I won't be bashing my heels on the pegs, so it should be alright. As mentioned before, got the BSD Safari pedals. I just find them really grippy and really comfortable, so I've gone back with them. S&M, it's my first S&M seat actually, so I've got the S&M camo seat, which I think looks really cool on this Benetton colour frame. Odyssey hazard light wheels, as mentioned before, running the 7KAs on the LAMF. So I thought I'd give the hazard lights a go, and they're a little bit cheaper, so I thought I'd give them a go. But I tried not to have the same parts as I run on a lot of the other bikes, although I have got some. But yeah, I think it's looking pretty good at the moment. What else we got? I'm running a cassette. I've got a free coaster on my ATF. I don't really get on with it, but I just don't think I've really given it a chance. So anyway, back to running a cassette on this. S&M seat clamp. you don't seem to get too many of them over in this country, but managed to get one on this and my Steel Panther. But yeah, I think it's looking pretty good at the moment. I'm also running the S&M X-Man sprocket. I've got 28 tooth on the front. And yeah, I like that because I use my bike for riding around on just in general as well, so that seems to be well, works well for me. So I've stuck with a 28 tooth sprocket. Yeah, so there you go. I think it looks pretty good. Let me know what you think. Oh, I did forget to mention I'm running the Odyssey Brock tyres, and I think they're 2.4.